Artlist.io.
Oh, green ball.
Estamos esperando el bus. Got my attention, baby. Both got intention, maybe. And you got a lot of
This is my view. Paddleboard full of sand. I've never paddleboarded before. Why are you so far away? You go, girl. Careful. It's recording. Hello, making a big jump. I don't think you can hear anything really on the videos. Oh my gosh. Wait, this is gonna be so hard. What if I can't get up here? You can. What if I can't? Then I can pull you. Pull you? Yep. Do it. I'm just gonna go for it. I'm not gonna actually stand on it. Oh. You got it. Woo! Oh, it's so deep, Ella. It's okay. You can swim. Can I now? Yep. And should it be an issue, I can also swim. How is it? Freezing. Okay. Oh wait, I'm scared. Do it. It's just going underwater. I know, but I'm scared. Wait, I forgot how to swim. Do you want to get back on? Yes, please. Okay. I know, it's scary. I told you. It is. It's a little scary. You can do as I did. You don't have to jump. You can just have a dip. Take a dip. I know. That's what I said. We can get closer. I'm still afraid of not seeing the bottom. That's what I said. I was gonna say maybe we can get closer to the shore. I know it's more wavy. I need to closer to shore over there. Okay, sure. Just because over here is where it's gonna be bigger waves, rockier. Okay. All right. All right, Dave.
watch me cross all the lines to get to you. Tell me what's the move, baby. Don't you dare. Don't keep me waiting. Don't keep me waiting. Don't complicate it. Don't complicate it. I'm yours. Don't keep me waiting.
Artlist.io.
My ball. Bali, Pepa. No, otra vez no, por favor. Give it to me. Eres un peligro. Esperando explotar. La música pa' que bailas abajo la bebé. Yeah. Ayer y te movías. Muy bien. Sí, con lo de Chanel. Para el que está bueno y cara bonita. Le pongo música y solita se excita. Para la fiesta nunca se limita. Pero tu mamá sabe. Bitch. Nope, 35 a.m. Still got yesterday's braids. We're supposed to take the airplane at 5:55? 45? 5:45. Oh, my eyes are red.
Music licensing.
sí,
Mejor,
sí.
¿no?
Sí, mejor. Sí. ¿Y de los brazos cómo lo sientes? ¿Bien?
Bastante bien. Ay, que tiene
Una mancha, sí.
Pero claro que lo voy a manchar, sin duda.
Uy, sí, definitivamente. Y blanco peor.